Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best treadmills and walking pads that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Horizon Fitness Folding Treadmill. This treadmill is a great option for users who want a reliable, space-saving treadmill with premium features. One of its standout aspects is the feather-light folding frame, which makes it incredibly easy to store between workouts. A fantastic choice for smaller homes or apartments. It also boasts Bluetooth connectivity, letting you pair your device with the built-in speakers to stream music, watch shows, or even follow workout classes. The convenience of its easy dial controls, which allow you to adjust speed and incline with a simple roll of the dial, adds to its user-friendly design. Performance-wise, the T202 model provides a sturdy 2.75 HP motor, a spacious 60-inch running deck, and variable response cushioning for joint-friendly workouts. It supports a maximum weight of 325 pounds and offers an incline of up to 12%, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced users. However, it's worth noting that the maximum speed of 12 miles per hour may not suit professional runners looking for higher intensity. While the Horizon Fitness Treadmill offers excellent durability and ergonomic features, its lack of precise pricing and high weight make it less portable compared to other options on this list. But for those prioritizing comfort and performance in a space-saving design, this treadmill is a solid pick. Coming in at number 4, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper for exercise at home. This compact and portable stepper is a fantastic entry-level option for anyone looking to achieve their cardio goals on a budget. It features a robust build with a heavy-duty steel frame and an upgraded weight capacity of 300 pounds. What sets this stepper apart is its full-body workout capability. Thanks to the included resistance bands, you can target your upper body while stepping to engage your core, glutes, and legs. The LCD monitor is a handy addition, allowing you to track steps, time, and calories burned in real time. The Sunny Mini Stepper is designed for convenience. It comes 100% pre-assembled, so you can start exercising right out of the box. With its ultra-quiet hydraulic drive system, it's perfect for discrete workouts at any time of day. Plus, the adjustable height knob lets you customize the intensity of your strides. However, its compact size means a smaller step range, which might not be ideal for taller users or those seeking a more extensive motion range. Overall, the Sunny Mini Stepper is a great value option for those who want a low-impact, full-body workout without taking up too much space. While it's not a full treadmill, its affordability and versatility make it a worthy contender for this list. At number 3, we have the Walking Pad with Incline and Handlebar by MySiffy, a 3-in-1 under-desk treadmill designed for versatility. Whether you're looking for a walking pad for light cardio, an incline treadmill for intense training, or a compact treadmill for small spaces, this product checks all the boxes. It features a 5-layer anti-slip running surface and an advanced shock absorption system, providing smooth and joint-friendly workouts. What's more, it's whisper quiet, operating at under 45 dB, making it perfect for shared spaces like offices or apartments. The MySiffy walking pad stands out with its adjustable incline of up to 8%, allowing for more challenging workouts. It also includes detachable handles for added stability, making it suitable for rehabilitation training or high-intensity sessions. The LED display is user-friendly, tracking speed, time, distance, and calories burned in real time. However, with a weight capacity of 270 pounds, it has slightly lower durability compared to some other models on this list. If you're looking for a compact, multifunctional treadmill that fits seamlessly into your home or office, the MySiffy walking pad is an excellent choice. Its portability and incline feature make it a standout option for users with limited space who want versatility in their fitness equipment. Sliding into second place is the Walking Pads for Home by U Yoga. This premium treadmill is designed with a 3.0 HP brushless motor that ensures a powerful yet whisper-quiet operation. With a maximum speed of 6 miles per hour and a weight capacity of 300 pounds, it's a great fit for walking, light jogging, or even multitasking while working. The treadmill arrives fully assembled, and its sleek, compact design makes it easy to store under your bed, sofa, or desk. One of the standout features is its smart LED display, which tracks your speed, time, distance, and calories burned. The included remote control allows you to adjust settings without interrupting your workout. Built with high-quality carbon steel, the U Yoga treadmill is both durable and lightweight, making it a reliable option for long-term use. However, at the higher end of the price range, this treadmill may be more of an investment for budget-conscious buyers. Ideal for users who value portability and efficiency, the U Yoga walking pad combines style, performance, and convenience. If you're looking for a treadmill that fits seamlessly into your small space while delivering a solid workout experience, this one is hard to beat. Claiming the top spot on our list is the Nice Day Steppers for exercise. As the most affordable option, priced at just $49.99, this mini stepper is a fantastic value for users seeking a compact and effective workout solution. Built with a sturdy alloy steel frame, it supports a weight capacity of 300 pounds, ensuring stability and reliability. The silent silicone cushioning pad keeps noise levels to just 25 dB, making it ideal for use at home without disturbing others. The Nice Day Stepper is equipped with a smart LCD monitor that tracks key metrics like steps, time, and calories burned, so you can stay on top of your fitness goals. It comes with high elastic resistance bands for upper body workouts, enabling a full body fitness experience. Additionally, the adjustable stride height allows you to customize your workout intensity, whether you're aiming for a longer, low-impact session or a high-intensity calorie burn. For its price, the Nice Day Stepper outperforms expectations. It's lightweight, easy to store, and ready to use right out of the box. While it lacks the advanced features of a treadmill, its simplicity, durability, and overall value make it the best choice for users on a budget who want to stay active at home. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.